Hi kids, welcome back to another exciting week. We are in Unit 2, Week 2, and this week's theme is Name That Shape. I love shapes. The essential question for this week is, what shapes do you see around you? Well, we first have to know what shapes to look for. Okay, let's talk about some 2D shapes. 2D means two-dimensional, which means flat. So we're going to talk about some flat shapes, and if you know the names of them, say it with me. This is a circle. This is a square. Squares have 4 perfectly even sides. This is a triangle. Triangles have 3 sides. This is that's right, this is a rectangle. Rectangles have 2 short sides and 2 long sides. And they can be upright or laying down. This is called a pentagon. A pentagon is a 5-sided shape, and it sort of resembles a house. Can you say pentagon? Good. This is a hexagon. Hexagons have 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The word 6 has an X, and so does the word hexagon, and that's how I like to remember. Hexagon, 6. Hex, 6. Hex, 6. This, you know this shape. It's an octagon. I like the octagon. It has 8 sides. And this is an oval. Good job, kids. Thank you for participating. Let's go on a shape hunt and see if we can find any of these shapes all around the school. Come on. I already see a bunch of shapes just in my classroom. What shape is this? That's right, it's a circle. What shape is the top of this picnic bench? That's right, it's a rectangle. What shape is this little Monday card? That's right, it's a square. What shape is this container that's holding my pens? It's an octagon. Let's count the sides. Let's start at the top. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides is an octagon. Wow. Come on, let's go find some more shapes. Ooh, what are these shapes on the ground? That's right, squares. Whoa, look at this mouth. What shape is that? That's right, circle. Ooh, what shape is this locker? Yeah, it's a rectangle. And look, I think I've found a pentagon with 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A house shape. Hey, look at our school banner. What shape is this? That's right, triangles. Whoa, look. What shape is this? Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a hexagon. Wow, kids, we found a lot of shapes. Now let's read a story about shapes. Students, this type of book is called informational. That's a big word. Can you say it? Informational. That means that the purpose of it is to give information and teach you something. So this is called Shapes All Around. Ooh, I like how the A is a triangle. Letters are shapes too. It's written by Gare Thompson, illustrations, which means pictures, by Stephen Mock. All right, here we go. Shapes all around. I am making a scrapbook of all the different shapes I see. There are circles, squares, rectangles, and triangles all around. Find the shapes I drew on this picture. Oh yeah, I can see that she's drawn with like chalk. Oh, there's so many. All over the playground. Circles. Let's look for more shapes. In the park, we can find circles. Play with circles. Hula hoops. Blow circles. Look at these rings. There are many circles. You can go up, up, up. Climbing circles. Wheels are circles that go round and round. Wheels can take you where you want to go. See the circles in the parade? The umbrellas are bright and colorful. How many umbrellas do you see? Wow, a lot. Squares. Look out the window. You are looking out of a square. All 4 sides on a square are the same length. He's looking through squares, and she's looking through squares. You can play games on squares. Move around on these squares. How many squares do you see in each game? Look, squares, squares, squares for hopscotch. Look at these squares. Some are big, some are small. Count them all. Wow, there's a lot. There's sandwich squares, crackers, dice, blocks. This quilt is made of many squares. All of the little squares make one big square, and this big square can keep you warm. Rectangles. Run down the field. The soccer field is a big rectangle. There are smaller rectangles on the field too. Look at that. Like the goal, the soccer goal. Look at these buildings. They have many rectangles. The rectangles are different sizes and colors. Check it out. Some of the windows are, some of the doors. Rectangles are everywhere. Some rectangles are signs. Signs help us find our way. Yeah, your street sign is probably a rectangle. Look at that. Many books, blocks, and sheets of paper are rectangles. We use lots of rectangles every day. You guys know what that is. Remember that tool? A ruler. On a windy day, triangles can be fun. Kites that soar in the sky are triangles. The sails on a sailboat are triangles. Look at that. These signs are triangles. The signs tell drivers to be careful. This one means that people are crossing, and this word yield means slow down. If you look closely at something, You may see more than one shape. Wow. This sign is a square that's tipped, and then inside it is a rectangle, and then 3 circles. That's a lot of shapes. Look at all of that. Look at the shapes inside of these houses. Look at the picture in my scrapbook. What shapes do you see? Go ahead and call out some of the shapes you see here. Great job, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I want you to look all around and see what shapes you notice and see if you can name them. All right, see you next time.